Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about IMT Ghaziabad. IMT Ghaziabad according to me is a band C college. So a lot of people will normally come and ask me, sir, I only want IMABC. If I'm not getting IMABC, I'll not do my MBA. So these kind of videos will help you understand what is life or what is basically placement at a level C college. Yeah, level A, main IIMS, level B, Narsee Monjee, all these colleges. Level C is IMT Ghaziabad. So you can check out the details on cetking.com/top. I've given the list of the top 50 colleges to find out which rank, which colleges where. Starting with the gender diversity. Male is 76% to 24% female, which is very much in line with the other colleges, slightly less than the other main colleges. In India today, on average, the ratio is now 30-70. Yeah. Let's look at the specialization. Marketing, 442 people have taken marketing. 149 people finance and 24 in operation, and this is one of my main concern at IMT Ghaziabad is intake. So if we add them up, intake is crossing now around 600. So with 600 students on board, so obviously placement will be slightly affected because of that, the large batch. In fact, all the colleges are struggling here. Anyone having more than 500 ka intake, that college might be struggling, must be struggling by placing everybody. Toppers can be easily placed. Those around, let's say out of 600, 400 people can be easily placed. Remaining 200 people, obviously there will be a small slight struggle. And if you're at that college, you have to be in the top 200, top 400 to get the placement. And IMT Ghaziabad is predominantly marketing college, and this is the proof here in front of us. Diversity, if we talk about, freshers 35%, 1 to 2 years of work ex 31%, 25% 2 to 3 years of work ex, and more than 3 years is 9%. So 0 to 1, so freshers or less than 1 year of work ex, there are 35% student, which is again in line with all the other B schools. But here work ex वाले थोड़े कम है, नहीं बराबर ही हो गया यार, 33. That's a typical trend across most of the B school. 33% people less than 1 year of work ex, up to 2 years of work ex around 33%, and then more than 2 to 3 years of work ex 33%. So which is in sync with the other exams. So those who have experienced, no worries. There are people like you, 3 to 4 years of work ex wale, and those who are less experienced fresher, don't worry. 35% of the batch out of 600, almost 200 people are there with 0 or less work ex. And trust me, there's no link between placement and your experience. No link at all. Academic background. So engineers 71%. Trust me, this is one of the very, very good ratio I've seen. Normally, all the IIMs are struggling with that. IIMs are at 90% now. 85 to 90% engineers. So here's 71% engineers, which is a good thing for everybody. Commerce 15%. Science 5%, others 3%, arts 6%. That's the breakup here. Batch profile of 2020, we have seen that. Now we look at the placement. Now we'll move to the main thing which everyone is waiting for. कि यार जो मैंने जिसके लिए वीडियो ऑन किया पहले वो तो दिखा. So let's talk about that. They've got a very good placement record. PPO we talk about for 2020 batch which just got placed. 72 people got a PPO. So out of 600, 72 people got a PPO. Highest PPO CTC is 28.5. Number of PPO received 31. PPI. Okay, there are two things, PPO and PPI. PPO is pre-placement offer. You're getting the offer in hand. PPI is pre-placement interview. Yeah, I like you, but there's a small doubt in my mind, so you come for the interview. Yeah, it's kind of a round 2. There will be one more round in between that. So if I add them up, 72 plus 31, 100, or maybe out of this 31, some people got a PPO as well, so we don't know exactly the breakup. So I assume 100 people have got a PPO. So 1/6 of the batch have got a PPO. In all the main IIMs, SP Jain, all the B schools, this number is touching almost 30%. So 30% of the batch at the main IIMs have got placement before they see the second year, kind of thing. Yeah. Sector wise profile where they've got automobile 4%, banking finance 26%, consulting 7%, e-commerce 7%, FMCG 17%, IT 7%, logistics 3%, manufacturing 7, media 6, pharma 8, retail 8, banking 26% maximum. Yeah, FMCG 17 is a very good number. Now we look at the final placement. Maximum highest CTC is 58 lakhs. Average is 13.60 lakh. IMT Ghaziabad, trust me, is a very good college. I have with due respect to the college, because the intake is so large, the average salary have gone down to 13.6 lakhs. Yeah, they've not shown us the average package, not shown us the top 10, top 20, how much they've got. Median is 12 lakh. Now 13.6 lakh, let's say average salary is 1 lakh per month. Now those who think nahi meko I'm ABC jana, then yes, if you have energy you can wait for one more year. Let's try next year, or maybe let's work doubly hard this year so that I can convert the main IIMs. Otherwise, if 12 lakh is, this is the starting package here. See, a lot of people think that I'm earning 6 today, I'll be earning 12 lakh a package anyway after 2 years without my MBA, then why should I go for MBA? See, that is number one assumption कि आपको उतना पैकेज 12 लाख का पैकेज मिलेगा, प्रोवाइडेड इकोनॉमी डज वेल, प्रोवाइडेड यू डू वेल, प्रोवाइडेड एवरीथिंग गोज एज पर प्लान, प्रोवाइडेड you are able to get a new job as well. But here the starting salary is 13 average, and if you do well at the college you might get a package of even 20 lakhs. Yes, there are a few companies coming with a package of 18 to 20 lakhs as well at IMT Ghaziabad. Yeah, all the companies have come on campus, where they have placed banking 19%, e-commerce 5%, consulting 14%. Now this consulting is my deciding factor. At all the top B schools, main IIMs, rank A, band A colleges, this number is touching almost 20 to 30%. Here we have only 14% consulting, that includes IT consulting as well. ITES maximum 28%, manufacturing 6%, media 8%, others 4%. So this is where the batch have got placed, your senior batch. Participating company, we can look at the list of companies here. Right from Aditya Birla to all the companies, Airtel, Amazon, all the main company, Apollo Tyres, all of them are coming for campus. Yeah, so if you have any more question, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply about IMT Ghaziabad. So this was to give you the overview about a band C college. Alright, all the best.